Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Okta to Workday detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section in the main menu. Click on the Add Application button. In the search bar, type Workday. Select Workday from the list of available applications. Click on that Add button to proceed. In the application settings, configure the general settings as needed. Enter the name for the Workday integration. Set the app visibility options according to your preferences. Next, head to the Sign On tab within the application settings. Here, you will find the SAML settings for connecting Okta to Workday. Copy the identity provider metadata URL. Now, log in to your Workday tenant. In Workday, navigate to the System Administration section. Click on SAML 2.0 Configuration. Paste the Okta Identity Provider metadata URL into the appropriate field. Set the SAML 2.0 Service Provider URL as needed. Ensure that the SSO settings are correctly configured. Save your changes in Workday. Return to your Okta dashboard. Next, go to the Sign On tab again in the Workday application settings. Click on the Edit button next to the settings. Input the following attributes: user email, user first name, and user last name. In the Advanced Sign On settings, configure additional mappings if required. Click on Save to apply the updates. Now navigate to the Assignments tab in Okta. Assign the Workday application to the necessary users or groups. After assignments are complete, switch to the user testing phase. Log in as one of the assigned users via Okta. Access Workday directly through the Okta dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.